I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. It actually works, guys, super insane. So if you have any problems, drop them down below in the comments, and I'm going to be sure to get back to you guys and help you fix your issues. So, hey guys, what are you doing tonight? I'm sure you're poor. So I will show you how to get rich on Real Racing 3, because I'm sure you're not rich on the Real Racing 3, because a lot of people are not rich. They are struggling. But look at this. Free gold, free moto money, and free race money. I just turned on all of that. So let's see if it goes up. We've got gold, race money, and moto money to work with. So let's see if it goes up or down or doesn't go up at all. I think it's gonna reach a ton. Oh my gosh, look at that. So I'm gonna show you guys how to download this Real Racing 3, iOS and Android, modded. All right, let's go. So it's easy enough. So first step, gang, crew, whatever. What is that first step? It's typing tweakmod.com. It's going to the search bar. It's typing Real Racing 3. There it is. Press install. All right, so what are we doing? Last step, verification. Got to get that verification completed. You're probably like, what's verification? Well, basically, it's where you have to download 2 apps from the App Store, 100% free, that installs the Real Racing 3 mod. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. It can't be that hard, right? So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. All right, so let's see what happens. It's loading up right now, so just see what happens. All right, and now we are going to be done. So missing files. So what you have to do is download 2 of these apps for free. So like Family Island says reach level 10, it's a game, okay. Scanner app, you gotta search something up, okay. I mean, I don't really do this, it's easy. It's so easy, bro. So be sure to try this out. I'm gonna see you guys later, but if you're poor, you gotta get down with the Real Racing 3 mod. I mean, I can't recommend it enough.